Today is another beautiful Sunday, actually Saturday, sorry, and it is snowing, so it's gonna be fun unloading. But I hope people still come out. This is Hingham again, and I am looking forward to it. So let's hope everything goes well. Thank you. Oh yeah, did you like it?
I love it.
Oh, thank
I
you.
have it on the Triscuits.
Yes.
That's so good. And the oil's too good to throw away. So you're gonna save that for dressing. Do you?
Yeah, I hopefully don't want
Yeah, I'll do one of each. One of each more. I just throw it in and eat it right back in the car and put the air in there. Just kidding.
How have you been having it?
Well, sometimes I just eat them out of the jar. Or like on like a cracker or something, or like mixed in with like a salad. Like
Yeah.
And I need to free up my candy order too. Yeah, please, thank you. I do it. Okay. I don't have it.
Yeah.
And then one time I made like a roll and oil on top. It was like I she comes out with like the best recipe ever. I love it. I like it. I'm so excited about it.
Can I get one of the
Thank you.
I never heard of it.
There's nothing like it in the market. It's a brand new product. So you won't get it in
Oh, you are in Whole Foods? Oh, really?
You will find me at you know where the cheese section is, the around
Yeah.
thing? It's over there.
Yeah. Okay.
And go to my website, you'll see there's one more recipe.
You're online too?
Yeah. No, I don't.
Yeah, so great. Yeah. Okay, I'll do it again. Thank you.
That was not easy. That was really, really tough. There was about 3 to 4 inches of snow on, not on the sides, but right on the road. We were all getting stuck. It was really hard to drag the cart. And it's very cold, but you know, it's done. I'm warming up and I'm ready for a hot shower. Obviously, with the weather, people didn't come out as much. Snow really started up like just about when we started, so that not that many people came out. So sales were low. I'm taking some stuff back, but that's okay, because you know, you still get like the customer who comes up and buys one of each, or you know, 2 of each, and tells you about this fantastic recipe that you made. The kid that came around and just like loved it, and then dragged her mom there, and you know, her mom got some. So those were little like sparkles of sunshine through the day. And oh my gosh, that fireplace, I love that fireplace. I was like playing with it all afternoon. I absolutely love fireplaces, and that screen so reminded me of an old home that I had. Actually, several of my homes, but that particular one reminded me of a particular home where I had that exact kind of screen. It was like large, not with the chimney and stuff, but anyway. So I really enjoyed that. Hope you guys are bundled in, safe, and warm. See you next time.